Hello and good day. Andy here with Pop RVs. We're ready to explore the open road. We've got a Coachman Encore. This is the 40TS model. Nice Class A motorhome. Caterpillar turbo diesel powered. Rated at 330 horsepower. Sitting on a Freightliner custom chassis. Lots of storage, expansive interior space with the triple slides. Newer batteries were installed, all 6 in 2019. Tires are newer as well. We've got a huge pass-through storage area. Onan 7.5 kW generator powers everything when you're not plugged in at your favorite campsite. Got awnings on the slides. Generator's humming right along. Just over 1,000 hours on it. And mileage on the chassis, just over 38,000. Nice shade from the electric awnings. Step cover for the passenger. This is a recliner seat. Nice looking upholstery on both. Power adjust as well. Lots of room in here. Love seat on the passenger side. Sleeper sofa behind the driver's seat. And then a convertible dinette for added guests. Lots of storage up top. Newer TV antenna installed. Low profile one, so don't have to worry about forgetting to put it down when you're leaving your favorite park. Backup monitor. Over here got controls for leveling system. All systems are reported as operational. Got an Amana 3-burner stovetop. Space Maker by GE Profile. Nice double basin sink. More storage underneath as well as up top. Nice flat panel Vizio TV. Storage for remotes and everything. Plenty of room in the fridge and freezer. That is switchable, electric or propane. I like the feel of these nice doors. This closes off the rear half of the coach, and then you got another double set of doors for the rear bedroom. Good amount of counter space as well as storage above and below the sink. And nice size shower stall. Skylight there, they've got it covered up. Separate bathroom. And this is pre-plumbed for a combo washer dryer unit if you'd like to add one. They preferred more storage space with extra drawers. Comfortable bed. Air feels nice and cool. Another TV back here. AC controls, storage. And then a huge cedar-lined closet. Take some time. Check out all of the high resolution photos we have posted on poprvs.com and give me a call today. Again, my name's Andy. Happy to answer any specific questions you have about it. Look forward to meeting you for a walkthrough tour. Let's get you out there cruising, living, and having fun. Talk to you soon.